In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photography website with Squarespace, step by step. We'll start at sign up and finish with a polished portfolio that's live on your own domain. First, head to Squarespace and click Get Started or Create a Site. Browse templates in the photography category and pick one that puts your images front and center, like designs with full screen hero images and clean galleries. Don't stress about perfection now. You can change templates or styling later. Click Start with this template to open it in the editor. Create your account using your preferred sign-in method, add a temporary site title, and you'll land in the visual editor where every change updates in real time. Begin on the home page. Click Edit. Replace the placeholder photos with your own and upload high-quality web-optimized images for fast loading. Update the headings and text so they reflect your brand, and tailor the look under design, then site styles. Choose a simple color palette and one or two legible fonts to keep the work itself in the spotlight. Next, build your portfolio. In the Pages panel, add a gallery page and choose a layout that fits your style. Grid for a classic look, slideshow for storytelling, or masonry for a more organic vibe. Upload images and group them by theme or shoot, and add concise titles or captions if you want a little extra context and search visibility. Add your essential supporting pages. On the About page, include a short bio, a friendly portrait, and a sentence or two about your approach. On the Contact page, drop in a form block so inquiries land in your inbox and link to your social profiles. If you offer bookings, create a services or pricing page outlining packages or your process. Organize everything by dragging your pages into main navigation so your menu is short, clear, and easy to scan. Connect your custom domain by going to Settings, then Domains. You can buy one through Squarespace or connect a domain you already own by following the on-screen prompts. Check the mobile view using the preview icon. Make sure text is readable, buttons are tappable, and spacing feels comfortable. Adjust padding or image sizes as needed. For visibility, open Settings, then SEO, and add a descriptive site title and summary. Add alt text to images to help accessibility and search. Then connect your social accounts under social links. When you're ready, click subscribe to choose a plan and publish to go live. Congratulations, your photography website is up and ready to share.